Hi, this is Graham from Carpet HQ. Today I'd like to introduce you to the Veritas range of Bevel Up low angle planes. So what makes a low angle bevel up plane? The blade seats in the body of the plane on a machined surface that's at a low angle of 12 degrees, and then the blade sits on that with the bevel of the blade facing up. So we have a low angle bevel up. Alright, so my go-to plane in my workshop is the low angle jack. So what we might do is look at the low angle jack in a little bit more detail. We have a feed adjustment, the Norris style adjustment, which is the in feed and out feed, and your lateral adjustment from side to side. Beautiful feature about the Veritas low angle planes are these little grub screws on the side here, and they're locators for when we put the blade back in the plane, and they actually locate the blade in the center of the plane. But the cap iron locks that in place. The other nice cool feature is the adjustable toe, which you can adjust it to a very thin slit for nice fine shavings to reduce tear out, or for quite large shavings you want to open that right up to let big heavy shavings come through. Got a little stop screw here, and you can adjust that so when you bring that toe back in, it doesn't hit your blade and damage it, and your knob will just lock that off. So another one of the nice features I love about this plane is when they designed the cutaway for the lever cap was so you could actually get your fingers in the side here, and they've designed on both sides, whether it's right hand or left hand, a thumb recess, so you can actually use it as a shooting plane. And if we come over here, fingers in the bottom there with that cutaway gives you a lot of control to push up against the edge of your shooting board, and your thumb down to sort of hold that pressure. And you can beautiful.